doors open. I don't lock my doors. Somebody break my window. Upstairs, y'all. Oh, that looks good. Thank you. Your food, though. You got it. Y'all, I'm in Maplewood, New Jersey, and we about to walk up in Cornbread. Cornbread, y'all. Y'all know I've been to Cornbread before. I don't know. Can you eat in here, ma'am? You can eat in?
Yes.
Okay. All right. You can eat in, y'all. We going to Cornbread. Let's go check it out. Oh, this is all takeout, right? Did you order? They got upstairs eating too? Oh, okay. So what you order here, then go up? Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I've never even been upstairs my darn self. All this good stuff to go. But yeah,
All
there
right.
is a upstairs, I think.
I'm gonna go check it out. Y'all, look how packed it is in here. So fam, this your man Matt DV. We in Cornbread. I'm about to order. I don't know what I'm getting, but they got seating upstairs too. It smells like church used to smell back in the day. When you be in there doing church and they be down in the basement cooking, that's what it smelled like. My man right here said it's delicious.
It's pretty good.
I believe him.
It does smell like church. That's a good
It
one.
do, right? It smell like church up in here. All right, y'all, let's check it out. And they got upstairs, y'all. Yo, they be bringing mad food upstairs, y'all. Oh, that looks good. Thank you. The food is here. Check it out. Check it out. The ribs. Who else got ribs? I got ribs. And you got ribs. Oh, junk. Yo, this is too much, y'all. This is crazy, right? All right. Thank you. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Would you look at this? Would you look at this? I'm with my friends, y'all, from Florida. Hold up, I don't even want, oh my goodness, look at her macaroni and cheese. Y'all know I'm not gonna get no macaroni and cheese. Look at the shot I got. Look at the shot. You know I'm tired. I got cornbread too? Uh-oh, Diggle Linda's fried chicken. This is the boss lady right there. No.
Thank you.
Look what we got. Go ahead, bring yours into the shade. Yeah, because that sun messes everything up. Let's see. Yeah, look at this. Look at this, man. Oh, that rice and gravy looks good too.
See?
But I'm not messing with that rice, y'all. Y'all know I ain't messing with that rice. Look at this, though. I'm sure I'm going to get into these ribs. Look at the greens, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Look, I should just go ahead and eat. This is going to be a short video, y'all, because I'm going to eat all this food real quick, and then I'm going to go rolling outside. So look, y'all, I got my ribs. I went off. Y'all know I get fried chicken real quick, but I got the ribs and the black eyed peas, and I got the greens. This is not going to be long. Let's go in for it. I've been to Cornbread before in Newark. I just went real quick. I ate out. We're finally eating in. So far, the atmosphere is beautiful. Is the atmosphere beautiful?
Yes, it is.
I'm here with some of my good friends from Florida. I'm gonna let them introduce themselves. I ain't gonna be telling. Look, they talking about no. You introducing yourself? Who are you? I ain't introducing nobody no more. Black eyed peas, y'all. Here we go. Okay. Oh my goodness, those are good. She's agreeing with me, y'all. The black eyed peas, I had them, remember? Okay, I gotta go on the record saying that this is a big difference from the Newark store. Okay? That sauce is really, what's good? The black eyed peas?
Yeah.
Sound like you said beans. They not beans, they black eyed peas. She don't want to get on the camera. You better be glad. We're going to get on the camera sooner or later. Yo, these are the black eyed peas, y'all. They are really delicious. They are good. Check it out. Check it out. Look at that nice, thick sauce in those peas. And then what's that hanging on there, Linda? Pepper or carrot?
I think it's pepper.
Got that red pepper?
Yep.
Okay, the black eyed peas, we give it 2 thumbs up. The name of the place is Cornbread. The cornbread I got in Newark too, and I hate to do this. Oh, it's dropping, y'all. It's falling apart. Let's try to piece it back together like a puzzle. Don't that really look good? I didn't taste it yet. We're gonna see in a minute. But before I eat the cornbread, I want to eat the ribs. I'm gonna use my southern forks for that, my southern utensils. I'm gonna have to use both of my southern utensils. Oh, it's just falling off. Okay. Y'all see I'm licking my finger. That's why I wash my hands before I eat. I don't know if anybody else wash their hands, but I wash mine.
Hand sanitizer.
Oh, the ribs are good. What do you think? You had some ribs yet? They good? The ribs are very tender. The sauce on them is tasty. It tastes really like spicy. Does it taste spicy to you? I always want to call it Cajun.
Like barbecue and a little bit of spice.
Like barbecue sauce and a little bit spicy, yeah. But I'm also gonna throw in the sweetness. I taste it's a delicious sweetness, but it's not too sweet. Look at that rib, y'all. I just bit into it. It was very tender, man. We definitely gonna come back here to this spot, Cornbread. We right up the hill from Newark, New Jersey, above Irvington and Maplewood, New Jersey. It's delicious, man. Delicious. Look at this.
You're looking at it.
This is good stuff. I'm looking at my fingers, y'all. Oh, these aren't fingers. They're southern utensils. What they call them? Southern forks. Y'all know Sunshine named them. Southern forks. I don't know. Southern cutlery. I gotta get out of these ribs. I'm biting it right down to the gristle. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go to the greens and then the cornbread, and then I'm gonna get off the video and sit down and relax. Enjoy our company from Florida.
Yes.
This family, y'all, word is born. She said yes. I'm gonna put her on camera in a minute. Y'all gonna be hearing her voice but not seeing her. What I'm gonna do next? The greens. None of y'all got greens.
I didn't get green.
You wanna try the greens? I didn't tell you to touch that. No, go ahead. You wanna try them? All right. So, these are the greens. I didn't show y'all. These are the greens right here. Look at them greens. See them greens right there? Collard greens. Got some of the stems in it. Y'all know how I feel about stems. I taste vinegar. I taste, it's a little sweet, not too sweet. Very tender. Those are good greens. These are good greens. What say you, Linda? You don't have good greens, okay. Oh, yes, give them the water. That was perfect. Y'all know, we got lemonade. You know, even though we're in Maplewood, this is still the hood. So you know the lemonade is real sweet. Because our folks don't mess around when they come to lemonade. All right, let me finish eating the greens. I just threw the greens down, but they're well flavored, you know? They're good greens.
You gotta try it.
There's a flavor in there that's really standing out and it's delicious. Only thing I have left now is the cornbread. After all, we are at Cornbread, so let's check it out. Looks good and buttery, y'all. It looks golden brown. Oh! See people be laughing at me. The cornbread is delicious. See, I'm glad I came back, right? Because I actually know the owner of this spot. I have not met her here. We haven't seen each other in a couple years, but it has that good melt in the mouth, and it's still wholesome. It's like it's moisture. It has that good moisture to it. It's cake like, but I don't like my cornbread to taste like cake. But yeah, but cake like, I get it. That is really good, y'all. I wish I had some rice now with these black eyed peas on. I thought you was reaching for your rice. I'm like, no, I don't want no rice. That's it, man. This your man, Matt DB. We're here in Maplewood. I got barbecue sauce all on my pants. We're here in Maplewood, man. Food is delicious. Cornbread banging. All right, we definitely gonna come back, and I'm glad I brought my guests from out of town to Cornbread. This was a good choice. We were gonna go downtown, back to Moji Tea, but this spot was much closer to where they're staying. If nobody told you they love you today, you hanging with the wrong people. Thanks for hanging out with us. I love you cats. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and also don't forget, hit the thanks button if you want to give a little extra to help supply my coffee needs. $1, $2. This your man, Matt DB. We're out. Peace. Peace. Don't be trying to steal my show. Oh, look at these ribs, man. Look, there's a lot of them too. Did I say that? Look how many ribs you get.
You didn't hit the end button.
I'm not gonna hit the end button.
Oh.
I need crew, don't I, y'all? Because he would have been great crew. Like, yo, you didn't stop it yet. Because she still see her face on there. That's what it is. I'm about to enter, y'all. Let me look at my film. I know. I watched them real good. Somebody told me I didn't know how to use a napkin. I'm glad I left the video on. Some subscribers like, you don't know how to use napkins. What kind of mess is that? Am I not using it enough? She said I was wasting napkins. Okay, let me fold it. I'm gonna keep using it. I think somebody previously said I used the napkin. Or they said I used it too much. It was time to change napkins. Now, on the other hand, I love all of you guys' comments and thanks for supporting. Peace. Peace.
Food is great. It's really good.
What'd you have?
Fried chicken and black eyed peas and rice with gravy.
Okay, tell us about the black eyed peas.
Black eyed peas were excellent, well seasoned. Going very well with everything.
Okay.
So, really enjoyed it.
Where you from?
I am from South Florida.
Yeah.
Fort Lauderdale in the house.
Yeah. Trudy hooked us up.